Well, hello, Denny,
Hello.
Matthew, Kimrao.
Yeah, hold on. My Bluetooth headphones aren't connected.
Okay, okay. Lisa, Kimrao.
Javi Guma.
All right, they're connected now.
Okay, Guma, Matthew. Okay, how many told you? I guess my Heather on show. Okay. Heather's here. Okay. Heather, one of the first questions I asked is Kimura how are you? Hey, Kimura how? Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. And you can say Hamiguma, I am well. Hamiguma. Hamiguma.
Hamigoma.
Leva. Very good. Very good.
How would you say, what did you do today or something along those lines?
Jay Andorenu, aren't you? Jay Andorenu. Here, I'll I can figure out how to call it my whiteboard. That down. Let's see where we. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay. Jay on Doreen. What did you do? Oh, and if you want today, on you. Okay, Jay Doreen on you. Okay. Good day. Okay. Hey, what? Andorrain, that's the question form of the past tense of did, that's like did. You, Anju, today. Okay, Jay Andorrain Anju. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. So Lisa, Jay Andorrain Anju.
Oh, Valmi Ag Opa
Oh, Copers.
Ons
Okay.
an Office.
Office, flavor. In an office, okay. Flavor. Okay. I guess Eva here.
Hello.
Joe, hello. Hello, Eva. Kimrao. Kimrao.
Drank.
No. Veluguma.
No.
No. Okay, clever. Okay.
Yeah, now I am that my car is apparently fixed. The last weekends, my car place always fixes my car on Tuesdays, and I got it always so late that I would have been late for class, and I don't want to interrupt. So.
Oh, well, let me say, it doesn't matter if you're late, I mean, if I'm talking about something, I've got the screen up and nobody notices you coming and, so whenever you want to pop in and, sometimes people pop out early, just because they've got something else to do. So,
I'm not talking to the teacher.
What's that? Oh, Denise. Kimrao.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know I was unmuted.
Oh, okay.
Kuma.
Okay. Clever. Okay. I saw Tim on show. Hello, Tim.
Hello.
Hello. Kimrao on you.
Trang. Ski. Ski. Busy and tired.
Oh, here. Okay. I guess Kumi Nachbi Gaming and Gallic on in Vista.
It was canceled.
Yeah.
I got a note today.
Uh-huh.
They raised the prices. They went at like 25% of their people's net.
Of the gross.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
But they should have had this book. They should have had maybe next year. I don't know what happened because you generally signed a contract. because it's June.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What we're talking about is the Vista Games. The Vista
Yeah.
Highland Games were canceled at the last moment. The city of Vista, and I guess it was the city of Vista,
Mhm.
put the squeeze on for more money. Yeah.
And also they said that they were forbidding any athletics.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so they were limiting what you could do.
Oh,
I
geez.
think they want to get rid of them. I think maybe they have somebody else that wants that spot.
Maybe. Yeah. I mean, yeah.
Or maybe the city of San Diego would take him, like Balboa Park is big.
Yeah, yeah. Well, now the games committee is looking around for another venue, but
It started in Balboa Park was too small, so that's why they
Right,
went
yeah.
there.
yeah. I mean, so somewhere in the San Diego area, but not this year.
Mhm.
Yeah, so anyway, cool. Anyway, so let's see, Eva, who else? Who else is here?
Heather's just came.
Yeah, Heather.
Yeah, Monayak, Hami Glay, Krang, Anju,
Prang.
Krang,
Uh-huh.
Glay Krang, Bimi, Sewell, Gu Tennessee. Thursday, sorry, I don't know Thursday.
You know, it starts with a D.
Sewell or Sewell?
What is that? What are you trying to say?
Travel.
Oh, a shul.
Shul. Okay, so
Yeah.
SH sounding.
Yeah, shul. Let's see.
Bimi a shul, Gu
How do
Tennessee.
you say that? Shul. Yeah, sort of like shul. Yeah. Shul pronunciation would be shul. How many is shul?
Jacurden.
Jakirtan.
Jarjurin. No, Thursday. How do you say Thursday?
Oh, Justun.
Jarstun.
Ah.
Yes.
Justun.
Jarstun. Hami Glay Hring Anju.
Oh,
Yeah.
later.
Getting ready.
Uh-huh.
And Biantushka Aunamari
Oh,
in San Diego.
Hulami. On show, Kuchik. No, well, could you?
Ha Glay Ur in Tennessee.
The what? Fur. Glay-ur.
Glay Ur.
Yeah.
Like in the 30s.
Ur. Oh, here. Glay-ur. Yeah, okay.
Glay Ur. And
Oh, yeah. Okay.
out in Tennessee.
Out in Tennessee.
Hi, are
Sure.
you coming to class?
I will be back on Monday, so yes, Tuesday I will be up.
Oh, Gleba.
It's just a long weekend.
Okay.
But anytime you see your grandkids, it's worth it.
Well, yeah, the little guy turns 1. It's his birthday on the 15th, so it worked out. I used 2 holidays and a floating holiday to make a 5-day weekend.
Okay, Gleba.
And they approved it, so I'm like, yep, I'm going.
Okay, Gleba. I guess, Aaron, Kimmer, how about you?
And you have me told you. Gaan me go ski like last week.
Okay. How many told you?
Mm.
Happy to hear. Okay, Gleba. I
I
guess.
just called Pat, so I woke her up. She's
Oh
coming.
yeah,
she's
she was
coming,
sleeping
okay.
through class.
Okay,
So I called her right now.
Gleba. I guess we have yeah, I'll go back. And we have a new Heather here, Heather McLeod. I guess hi. Okay, Heather. Yeah. Denise is showing a cornucopia of happiness. Okay.
Aw.
Okay. Heather, would you care to introduce yourself briefly?
Sure. I'm Heather. I live in Vancouver in BC. And my daughter has been teaching me a little bit of Gaelic the past couple years. So I will remember to say how to say beautiful cat soon enough, I'm sure.
Wow.
And she taught me to say Fesgar Ma to you all.
Esker Ma.
Good.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Good night.
Fiskama.
Good afternoon.
Esker Ma.
Fiskama.
Fisk- right.
Okay, which either means good evening or good afternoon, depending on the context. Okay, gleba. I guess Heather, I don't know if you've had a chance to check it out, but you can go to the Dropbox that I put a link to, and go back to the first week and see the video lessons, see the recordings of the video lessons, and read the and open up the written material for the class, too. So so if you have an inclination, you can get caught up as well, see where we are. But anyway, glad to have you with us.
I'm glad to be here too. I was thinking it's the first time I've heard my grandparents' language spoken by a group of people.
Oh, we could share. So your grandparents were Gaelic speakers.
Yes.
Okay, well, Leba. Okay, and they were the ones in the family who immigrated to America.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, Leba.
Culture.
From Lewis.
Oh, okay.
There's
So-
a famous Trump's mother came from there. And her last name's McLeod, and she spoke Gaelic.
Mary.
Right. She was Mary McLeod. So so that's big McLeod territory up
Yes.
there in Lewis. So anyway.
Yes, it is.
Leba. Okay, and we have Pat here. Pat Kimrau.
Is she muted?
Yeah, Pat. Pat Howboloff. Mute. Boloff. Mute.
Should we say Martin Va to Pat? 'Cause she just woke up.
Ah,
Yeah.
don't say that.
Okay, all right. Well, Gleba. Does anybody have any questions before we get started? Any questions to get us started? Any burning issues? No? Okay. All right. Okay. So we got a bunch of stuff today. There's some noise. Where are we? And we're on our, if I can find it. Where are we? Oh, episode. Achtiuk. Okay, so here's the Piper of the Week. Okay. And the motto. Ashar Agalik Vrishja na Vierlach Listja. Better broken English than better broken Gaelic than fluent English. Okay, there we go. Ashar Agalik Vrishja na Vierlach Listja. Okay. And hit you up for the for your contributions. And Heather, new Heather. And I say that because I'm sure you've noticed we have two Heathers in class, so I've got to differentiate somehow. Anyway, but this is the link to the text in the video. So you can go there and it just opens up like a computer folder. So you'll see all the subfolders for the various weeks, okay, and the documents, okay, all right. Anyway, right, okay. The Klarna Shechen, schedule of the week. The Falcha, of course, Shanachal Neshechina, the proverb of the week, Shanachal, old word, grammar Neshechina. This week we're going to go to possessive pronouns. So we'll do a little review on the possessive that we've already learned. And then go to the possessive pronouns. There's two ways to express ownership or possession in Gaelic. Skilach na Shechina, Ushkabeas on Rachel. Okay, so we have on Rachel. Okay, and then Or on the Shechina, song of the week on Rachel. Okay, okay. And as I note here, text and video is uploaded to the Dropbox on a weekly basis. Okay, as everybody knows. Okay, Falcha. Okay. So, fun fact. A language or a language culture develops in an environment and in this physical environment, and where there are a lot of things, or where a concept is important, there's very often a lot of different words for that thing. Like apocryphally, the Inuit languages, the Eskimo languages, have 50 words for snow, because there's a lot of snow and ice in the polar regions of the world. Well, in Scotland, there's a whole lot of hill. So we'll see what that is. Okay.
What's the Gaelic for mist? Kyo. And lots of other words. Many of the words for mist also mean kyo, kyo, shimmeler, shimmeleren, ele na kyo, jetach, jetach, jetachen, smooge, smooge, smooge,
Steam.
a smooge, touch, touch, ha and botoch the gal touch, touchachen, score, ha score teach, curachei.
All right.
What's the
Wow.
Gaelic for mist?
So several different words for mist. Okay, one of the main ones is kyo. Okay, so could mean mist or fog. Okay, but there's others, as you saw. Okay, all right, just a little fun fact. Okay, all right, okay, all right, okay. Shanachel na Shekina. Okay. An Urevis an Joch Astai be an Kiel Amach. An Urevis an Joch Astai be an Kiel Amach. So so go ahead and say that after me. I mean, you can have your mute on. An Urevis an Joch Astai be an Kiel Amach.
An oor a fish, foosh, an joch a sty. Be an kiel amach.
Be an Kiel Amach.
Keel.
Kiel.
Yeah.
Okay. Should be a little.
To be drink at home.
Mach.
When the when the drink is in, the sense is out. Okay.
Keel.
What is out?
Keel amach.
On Kilamach. Okay, yeah. Okay. And
The drink is in the
yeah,
sense.
this might be contradicted by the following invocations of various required healths. So like in many traditions, very often there's contradictory proverbs. Okay, so anyway, so Geochandoros, the door drink, the drink of the door. Okay. So go ahead and say this after me. Slan de Vinoy heel.
Slan do
Slan do Vinoy heel.
Slan do Devach.
Slan do Devach.
Health to your fair wife. Health to your son. Okay. Slan do the hech.
Slan
One to
do the heck.
Oh, I'm being a keel. A kill. Kill.
Oh, being the kill.
Kill. Health to your coming and the sweet music. Slan do Dorach.
Slan do the strach.
Galavik.
Erna Gala Gabanek.
Health to your walking the white sands, or walking on.
Yeah.
On. on the white sands. Slando de Venechin Istohio,
Lando de Vatican
Istohio,
Dolio.
health to your blessings and your life. Geo could mean both life and breath. Okay. Vanaharlach you Navisona.
Bona Harke Dunya.
No. Okay. Since we would meet again and be happy, be sown. Especially nach Chick Rune,
Especially not
nach Chick Rune, and bad events not come on us. You know, bad things not happen to us. Ergul Shi
old she
is there Echo Konish.
Asera Echo Comus.
Okay. For the love of peace and in fear of fighting, Hooker Joch on Doris Yoon.
Hooker Doch and Doris
Yoon. Okay. The drink of the door will be taken by us. Okay. So all these healths. Okay. Yeah. And I'm going to come back to this word here, Divinoy heal. Okay. Okay. All right. So I have a little something to say about that later. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's the Joch and Doris. Okay. And the Shanachel Neshek. Okay. Yeah. Proverb of the week. Okay. All right. So another way to say something is yours or somebody's. Okay. All right. So I want you to say this after me. Okay. We're going to go down this list. So Hatai Akam.
Hatai Akam.
I have a house. And so we use the prepositional pronoun. Okay. At me. Akar Aket.
Akar Aket.
You have a car or is a car at you. Okay. Your Echa.
Your Eka.
He has a book. A book is at him. Anian Echa.
Anian Eka.
Echa.
Eka.
Echa. Yeah. A little hiccup in there. A little hiccup. Echa. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Okay. Give it a little bounce. Echa. Okay. Leva. Haku Akin.
Haku Akin.
We have a dog. A dog is at us. A broken akaf.
A broken
akaf. Okay. You have shoes, and that's you plural or formal. Haskol aka.
Haskol aka.
They have a school. Okay. As a few weeks ago that we went over these. Okay. This is just a reminder. Well, there's another way to explain or express possession. And that's using the possessive pronouns very much like we use them in English, with the difference. Mo is my. Go ahead and say that. Mo.
Mo.
Do.
Do.
Okay. Let's see. Trying to get this.
Can you just say Moku, my dog?
You could, but I'll explain that.
Okay.
Okay. His. Okay. And her. Are. Or your, and or there. Okay. Now, partly to answer Eva's question, these are used similarly as in English, but unlike in English, you can only use them, or for the most part, you only use them with things that are inseparable from the person. And these are human relatives, parts of bodies, and sometimes concepts of qualities, like movech, my idea, okay? Human relatives, movaher, my mother, parts of bodies, moron, my nose, things like this, okay? And to answer Eva's question, as we sometimes consider our dogs to be part of the family, I have heard people refer to Mahu, my dog. Okay, so anyway.
But normally you would say Haku Agam.
And you could say Haku Akam as well. You know, I have a dog, or you could say Ha Anku Akam Arui. You know, my dog is running. So you could go either way. Thing to remember is that these are not hard and fast. Okay, you know, in Gaelic, very often rules of grammar are more like suggestions than hard and fast rules. I mean, you know, nobody's going to come out with a stick and beat you if you say something a little bit off book. Okay, but these are general rules. Okay, so anyway, so examples: Mochaun,
Mochaun,
my head. Dovraher,
Dovraher,
your brother. Achas,
Akas,
his foot. Akas,
Akas.
okay. And I have a note about these too. So hold on. Ardulchus,
Ardulchus,
our heritage, our homeland. Our Ursulen, plural eyes. That's either plural, all the eyes of all you guys, or Meister. On Orstigen.
An Orstigen.
An Orstigen.
Their fingers, or Maher.
Maher.
Their mother. And I'll explain why we have a few puzzling variations in here. Okay, so, all right, so sometimes, I guess because spouses are not considered inseparable, okay, you'll see usages like Andunya Akam, not Mogunya, or Aven Eka, his wife, as opposed to Aven. Okay, though these are not hard and fast, you could say Mogunya, Moven. And as Eva asked, Mochu, okay. On Kaun Akam, you could see that, though more often than not, it would be Mokaun, okay. Okay. I have a little note. Talk about not being or being and having to be inseparable. Well, you can ask Mary Queen of Scots about the head not being separable. Okay. So anyway, all right. And Achela, his spouse, not Kayla Eka, or Akela, her spouse, not Kayla Eka. And Kayla is an interesting word. This is just an aside. Kayla comes from a word that means other. Okay. Ayla means other. Okay. So I guess used as a spouse, it means something like my other. Okay. And I find it to be much more personal than, well, it's non-gendered. So it could refer to either a husband or a wife. Okay. And it's I find it to be much more personal than, say, equivalents we might have in English, a partner or significant other, which always sound to me, might just be my age, but sound to me to be a little bit clinical. Okay. Achela seems to be much warmer to me. Okay. Anyway. All right. So now, note that these possessive pronouns, mo, do, and for his, Lenite. So that's why we have movek, or what did I have above? Mochaun, they Lenite, okay? Or do, doron, okay, doron, okay, it Lenites, okay? And for his, avaher, okay, his mother. Okay, and this is how, and I'll put this here, this last is how we tell the difference between his mother and her mother. Okay, Avaher, his mother, Amaher, her mother. Okay, that's how we tell the difference. Okay, for his lenites, for her does not limit. Okay, okay, and this is not a technical explanation, but sometimes the way I phrase it is we see what a word in Gaelic is by, you might say, the shadow that it casts. You know, we don't see it in the word itself, but we see how it affects other words next to it or in the word next to it. And so that's how we tell whether this is his or her. Okay. And that's an instance in which we see that. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, and here I have another couple examples of Raher, his brother, Abraher, her brother. Okay. Another rule, rule 3, the mother bakes fresh pies rule, MBFP. Okay. Or bowl of fluffy mashed potatoes rule. Okay. Okay. Whatever you like. Okay. A little mnemonic device. That is, nouns that begin with these letters, MBFP, are preceded by the M possessive. So, Ambraher, their brother. But Ankasen, their legs. And so you note up in this list here, where are we up here? We have An-Am. That's why we have that distinction. It depends on the next letter. So Am-Maher, their mother, Anstronchen, their noses. Am-Pure, their sister, or An-Nian, their daughter. Am-Fiachlin, their teeth. An-Gruyen, their cheeks. Okay, so the and this is not just a rule that we need to pay attention to in this particular instance. It appears time and time again. You know, the mother bakes fresh pies. Is that it? Mother bakes fresh pies or bowl of fluffy mashed potatoes. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. An analogy, and this is just an analogy. It doesn't explain the Gaelic, but we have something like this in English. The A-N rule. So, you know, we do adjust, make an adjustment in English for an automobile, an apartment. You know, we use the an instead of a. Otherwise, we'd say a car, a house. So, you know, so this shouldn't be that foreign a rule. Okay, we do have something like this. Okay, so another rule. Okay, note 4. The possessive pronoun for his and her, in both cases, requires an H. Okay. I don't know. Okay, an H dash before the noun. So, Ahaher, her father. Okay, while A for him disappears, it's eclipsed. The Aher Agra, his father was saying. Okay. Okay, so, you know, because just remember, you can't have two, I'm going to make this disappear in just a moment. You can't have, for the most part, you don't have two vowels in different words next to each other. Okay, Gaelic doesn't like that. Okay, and you know, it's like a mommy vowel says, I don't want you hanging out with those other bad vowels. Okay, okay. So, the Aher Agra, which sometimes could be interpreted, you have to interpret this by context. It could mean just by itself, it could mean a father was saying, or it could be his father was saying. So again, context, okay? but va ahaher, okay? And in a like manner, the possessive pronouns are and the plural for you, and are for are, take an n dash prefix, right? Right? Are naher Newton. Okay? Newton are naher. And I have a little note here. If you're a Christian, you might be interested to learn, or just generally might be interested to learn, that we see this in the Lord's Prayer. Are naher ahai ernev. You know, books in a little insert. Okay. Are naher ahai ernev. Our Father who art in heaven. Are naher. Okay, so you see that working out there. Are naher. Okay, so to recap, the most basic rule, okay, the most basic, body parts and blood relatives, okay, take the possessive pronouns, mo, do, and etc. Okay. Anything else that might be considered inseparable. All other things take the ek possessive form. Right? Okay. That's the basic rule. Okay. So we have two ways to express ownership. Okay. And I sometimes joke about this. Eva asked about a dog. I often joke that in California, somebody might refer to Mokar, my car, because cars form such a large part of our identity here. So anyway, all right, okay. Any questions so far? Okay, general concept. Okay, so just try to understand the general concept, and as I go through these things, remember that we don't necessarily need to understand everything or memorize everything. Okay, right at the very moment, but try to understand the general concept. And right here, the most basic part of the rule is the use of the possessive pronoun for body parts and blood relatives, very often blood relatives, okay, or other forms of relatives, and all other things take the ek, okay? All right, so I've got a couple exercises that we can try out, so hold on one second. And again, these will all be loaded, of course, into the Dropbox, and you can study these, and review them, go over them, these flashcards. So first we have multiple choice possessive exercise.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how do you say his house? And so you see tie, a house, his house. So would you say antai eka, mohai, or aha?
Antai
Anti-eka.
Antai eka. Yeah, very good. Okay, play well. Well, okay. Car, their car. Ankar aka, akar, or dochar.
Ankara.
Anka Aka,
Ankar aka.
except for California.
Except in California. That's right. Okay. Maher, my mother. Movaher, Maher Akam, or Avaher?
Movaher.
Movaher.
Movaher. Okay. Lav, your singular hand. Dolav, Lav Akat, or on Lav Aka?
Dolav.
Dolav. Skol, our school. Our school. Skol Akin, Uskol.
School.
Akin?
Skol Akin.
Akin.
Yeah, Akin. Yeah, okay. Yeah, play well. Okay. And the note that the N, the double N there, one of the mnemonics is that the prepositional pronouns very often end in an N or a double N. And that's similar to sheen, the word for us, sheen, or we, okay? Strone, her nose, strone echa, strone, or on strone eka.
Shroneka.
A strone.
Eka.
Strong.
Strong Eka. Yeah, not.
Hey.
Oh, no.
It's her body part.
Yeah, you're right, Heather. Heather's
right.
right. A strong.
Yep.
Her nose. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Right. Okay. Right. Lore.
Lore.
Book. Your book. Plural. Lore. Lore Akif. Or on Lore Akif.
On Lord Rocket?
Is this a formal your or
Yeah. Plural. Your.
Okay.
Oh, so it's B. It's B.
Yeah.
Lore.
your
Akif.
Akif?
Yeah. The book that belongs to you guys. Okay. Now, one of the problems in English is formal English, standard English does not distinguish
Mm-mm.
in the
They
plural.
lost it.
Yeah, in the singular you or the plural you. The regional varieties of English do. I mean, so we have you guys and yous and
And you all
you all.
in the South.
Yeah, there you go. Okay. Cut. My cat. Mochat. Kat akam. And kat ek.
Kat akam.
Aka?
Mhm.
Kat akam. Okay, though I do know some people who would say mochat. Okay. Then they'd regard their cat in the same way that some of us might regard our dog. Okay. Mochat. Okay.
So is the difference like if you had a flock of sheep, that's not really a pet. And whereas if it's your companion pet,
Right.
you
Yeah.
might say Mo.
Yeah. If you regard it, I mean, like a pet, very often, and Pitaban. There is a skill, a story in the folklore about a white pet, a white sheep who becomes a pet. You know.
Does the sheep get to enter the house? And
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe that's the tipping scale if it's a house animal.
That's right. Yeah. Something like so. Well, I mean, though, though I can imagine somebody would be very fond of their horse, but the horse doesn't enter the house or something like that. But yeah, but I think you're on the right track. It depends on how close you feel to the animal. How much of humanness, for instance, you would invest in the animal.
So it's up to the person talking to decide.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
It's up to the person talking, and it could vary. I mean, from time to time, the same person might use both forms from time to time. Yeah. Anyway, right. Nui, pure.
Pure.
Afure, pure eka, or on pure aka.
Afure.
Hey.
Yeah, a few. Okay. Broken, their shoes. Broken aka. Broken aki.
Broken aka.
Broken aka. Yeah, aka would be the there.
Mhm.
Okay. Shoes at them. Okay. So remember this form, the prepositional pronoun, is based on the word ek, A-I-G, which is the root of this form of the possessive. Okay. Ku, our dog. Ku akin, our ku, or ahu.
Wow.
Aku?
We'll say it's a pet. We'll say Arku.
Arku.
If it's a close pet.
Yeah. Now you could say ku akin, our dog, okay, or you could say our ku. Yeah. So this is variable. Okay, that's variable.
That's how you probably would see how close somebody is to your pet.
Yeah.
Their pet.
That's right. Yeah, something like that. Is the dog part of the family, or is it, say, a working dog? That's just,
Yeah, an outside working dog.
Yeah, an outside working dog. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Gown.
Yeah.
his head,
Achiao.
a hound,
Achiao.
on echa, or mochown?
Achiao.
Chown, a chown,
Achiao.
It would be the lenited form, okay, the his, okay? Piaun, your singular pen. Dofjaun, piaun akit, or piaun eka.
Pion Akit.
Piaun akit, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, pen at you, okay? Akit, okay? Aher, her father. Ahaher, aher echa, or antaher aka.
Aha, hey.
Aha.
Haher.
Yeah,
Hey.
Eh?
yeah. Ahaher,
That's hard to say.
It is.
ahaher. But
Ahaher.
it's- yeah, but it's easier to say than ahaha. Yeah.
Ahaher.
All right, ahaher. Okay,
Ahaher.
okay, labor. Clown, there's
Clown.
Wow.
clown aka, on clown aka, or clown.
I think it's a clown.
Clown.
Children.
See?
Oh, okay. Oh, no, actually, this is wrong here. It should be on clown, not on clown aka. So,
You fooled us.
yeah, so I made a mistake here. Okay, so
On clown.
on clown.
On clown.
On
Yeah,
clown.
yeah, it would be on clown. Okay,
On
for
clown.
children. Okay,
Unlenited. Okay.
yeah. Unlenited. Thai, my house. Mohai,
Oh.
Kai Akam.
Thai.
Hi,
Yeah. And if you remember a few weeks ago, we had that song, a Thai Akim, a Ben Akim. Okay, okay. All right, okay. Nian, daughter, your plural. Okay. Nian, Nian Akiv, or Donian.
Urnian.
Nianaka.
Urnian.
All right.
Urnian, your daughter. Okay, yeah, okay, so not Akiv, that would imply, she's separable. Okay, okay, and Donian would be your singular. Okay. Shukich, her jacket would be a shukich, shukich echa, or on shukich aka.
Shakach.
Shaka Aka.
Shukich echa, yeah.
Mhm. B.
That's right. Shukich echa. Okay, her jacket. Okay. Vehicle, his tooth. A vehicle, vehicle echa, or on vehicle aka.
A vehicle.
Hey, Aka.
Vehicle.
A vehicle. Oh, and I made another mistake here. Actually, that would just be vehicle. Okay, and the rule here gives me a chance to explain the rule. FH vowel is pronounced as if it were just a vowel word.
Vehicle.
And so it's treated, and I will revise this when I re-upload it. I'll upload it to the Dropbox, but it's treated as if it were just a vowel word, like vehicle. Okay, so it wouldn't be a vehicle, that would be the double vowel. I'd violate the double vowel rule, but just vehicle. Okay, okay. All right, here's two. Car, our car. Car akin, our car, or a car.
Car acking.
Car akin. Our car. Okay, Gleva. And let me make a. What numbers? Okay, number 19. And where was that other one that I made a mistake? Oh, 15. Okay. Okay. All right, Gleva. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay, so now we're not going to get through this whole exercise, but this is another flashcard exercise. Yeah. And this is much more extensive, and it just gives you something to to play with. Okay, over the next week. Okay, so you read the noun and the English possessive, you fill in the correct possessive phrase. Okay, and each word is on a separate page. Okay, so it goes like this, and we'll do a couple minutes of these and then we'll go. Okay, all right. So anyway, all right, question 1. Ty, his house. And so how would you phrase that?
Ty Eka.
Ty Eka. Ty Eka.
Eka.
Okay. Their car.
Oh,
Car would be the Gallic.
Car Aka.
Car
Aka. Aka. Yeah. Mahir, my mother.
Movar.
Mahir, very good.
Mahir.
Mahir. Mahir, okay. Hand, lav, your hand, singular.
Dolov.
Dolov.
Dolav, okay. Oh yeah, and in fact, there's a song that we'll get to one of these days, not tonight. Horgo Dolav, give me your hand. Okay. A song about give me your hand and I'll take you to Uist, one of the isles in the Outer Hebrides. So Skol, our school.
Skol
Akin.
Skol Akin. Yeah, very good. Okay. Nostron.
Astron.
Astron.
Rome.
Astron, Gleba. Okay. Book, your book.
Lower Akiv.
Lower Akit, yeah, okay, yeah. Oh no, you're right. I'm wrong.
Akiv. Okay.
Akif, yeah. Lower
Plural.
Akif, yeah. Plural book, plural. Your plural. Okay, lower Akif. Okay. My cat.
Mochat. Kat Akum.
Karakam.
Yeah, cat Akum. Depends on how close you feel to your cat. Okay. Fine. Sister, pure. His sister.
Afua.
A fewer.
Pure. A fewer. Okay. So the P would be lenited. Oh, there we go.
PH.
Cat. Broken. Shoes, their shoes.
Broken Aka.
Aka, yeah. Broken Aka. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Dog.
Ku Akin.
Ku Akin.
Akin.
Aku, Akin, or Arku, depending on what we've been talking about. Okay. Personally, I tend to feel very much attached to my dogs, and so I'd use the possessive pronoun, but it's not wrong to do it the other way. Okay. Cown, head, his head.
Achaun.
Achiao.
Achaun, lenited. Piaun, pen.
Pen Akit. Pound Akit.
Piaun, akit, yeah.
No, gosh.
Okay, and it should just be
Ahaher.
just father.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you gave it.
You gave it away.
Yeah, I gave it away. Ahaher. Okay. Yeah, for father. Okay. Clown, their children.
Unclown.
On clown.
Yeah.
Very on clown.
Oh, unclown.
On clown.
With an H.
Clown. A-N on clown. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. Shukich. Her jacket.
Ashaka.
Second. Aka.
It's Eka.
Eka. Eka.
Okay.
Eka.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Little pronunciation hip. If let's see, I'll call up the document. Let's see. Eka, you pronounce it
Softer.
yeah. Okay.
Echa. Echa.
Echa, okay.
Echa.
With a hiccup
Echa.
in middle.
Eiche.
Echa.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Echa is just
Echa.
Echa. Okay.
Echa.
Just straight across. Okay. So, Echa. So a little hiccup in the middle for her. Okay. Her, at her, and Eka would be his at him. Okay. What? Okay, got that? Okay, so little pronunciation. Oh, and as I've said before, when I use I've started I tend to use that little, I think you call it a caret, to indicate my attempt to show you how to pronounce something. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Where are we? Okay. All right. Well, that's good for now. Okay. And you've got a few more pages of these to go. How far do we go? Oh, only down to 20. I thought we went much further. Okay. All right. Anyway, but you can practice those. All right. Okay. All right. So let's pause for a moment. Oh, somebody posted a message. Oh, yes. Aaron asked, is this where the Mo and Gav Moleshko comes from? Yeah. So let me, okay. And so the, where are we? Okay. The phrase is Gav Moleshko. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Gav Moleshko. Yeah. And so the Mo is my. Okay, so it's something like give or take
my excuse.
My excuse.
my excuse, reason. Okay, God Moleshko. Yeah. Okay, so God Moleshko. So the Mo, like Aaron asks, is the
Apology.
yeah. The whole thing is an apology. Okay.
Take my apology.
Yeah, take my apology, take my excuse, take my reason. Though it's not as strenuous, I guess you might say, as take, it's more of a lighthearted, it's
Oh, you're not on your knees begging.
Yeah, right. You're not on your
Please take my reason, please.
yeah, please don't chop my head off, Your Majesty. Okay. Yeah. No, I mean, like if you're breaking into somebody's conversation or something, you could say, oh, well, Gav Moleshko. Okay. Anyway, all right. Okay. And then I saw a Denise had her hand up. Okay.
Well, I think you kind of answered it. Like, if you say like, pardon me, you're asking for pardon because like your purse hit somebody's kid and, and that was like, oh,
Right.
like,
Right.
by accident.
Yeah. It's more of a light apology, I mean, for any range of, small matters. All right. Okay. Label. All right. Okay. So where are we now? Okay. All right. All right. So you see the accuracy. Okay. So skilach neshechen. All right. So, so this is based upon something that happened in the month of, what month? Angeren. Okay. February. It's the sinking of the HMS Politician. Okay. And it's the known, you might call it the Whiskey Galore ship. And this is an incident that serves as a basis for the comic novel, in which inhabitants of the island were starved for their much beloved whiskey because of wartime rationing. Now, in the Second World War, the British government rationed whiskey. Yeah. And many Scots could not get their hands on whiskey, much to the dismay. And so the story, actually the historical incident and the novel and the film, tell about in 1941, the SS Politician with a cargo of 28,000 cases of whiskey wrecked off the island of Eriski in the Inner Hebrides, or actually the Outer Hebrides. Yeah, Outer Hebrides. Okay.
Did they eventually wash up on shore?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Well, that's the story. But anyway,
Okay.
but the English word galore derives from the Gallic word
Yep.
galore, okay, which can mean variously enough, plenty, a lot, or totally. So right here. So so the English word galore comes from galore, okay. And here's Eriski right here. Okay, you see the map of Scotland and a little dot. Okay. And so anyway, so this is actually historical. And so what happened was there was a mad scramble. The story goes, the history goes, there's a mad scramble for the whiskey because ships that were wrecked, according to maritime law, the cargo was free for all.
Mhm.
It was public domain. And so the story revolves, it's a humorous story, and the film is humorous. And if anybody's interested, I'll post a link. I'll figure out a way
Yeah.
to post a link to the movie. And there's two
Yeah.
movies, 1949 and 2016. Okay, all right. So and there's a mad scramble that's humorous for to salvage the whiskey. Now, the complication is the British government didn't want the islanders to get their hands on the whiskey because they still wanted to ship it to America where they could sell it to help the war effort. Okay, but anyway, but that was the complications. Now, but this goes much further than than this historical incident and the importance of whiskey in Gallic culture. And that is one of the customs surrounding marriage, which is kind of a side note in the film, but I touch on here because it shows us a little bit about Gallic culture. And that's the depiction of the Rejec. Okay, so say that, Rejec.
Rachel.
Okay. The arrangement or the engagement party, very important event in Highland communities, and sometimes much more important than the actual marriage, or much more involved in much more festivity and celebration than the marriage. As we've seen with, say, the difference between New Year's Eve and Christmas. The Scots tend to celebrate New Year's Eve with a great deal of festivity and hilarity, while Christmas is a very solemn event. Okay, so same difference between the Rejec and the marriage. Okay, so anyway, so this is a quote from Margaret Bennett in her book Scottish Customs. Okay, and she writes, oops, that should be italicized. Okay. It was an informal gathering where the bride's hand was asked for in marriage. A third party asked. Okay, so now again, this was the Rejec, and it was actually more of a formal gathering. I don't know why she says informal. Okay, because as you'll see, she describes people prepared for it, for weeks ahead. Anyway, so a third party, a friend of the groom or the groom to be, asked. Now, everybody was in agreement and everybody had prepared for this. They knew it was going to happen. Okay. So, but the friend talked about something quite different. He didn't ask for the woman. So, for instance, so here she gives us an example. I put, for example, okay. For example, this is just an example. It's not always exactly like this, but for example, okay. Okay, Ian MacDonald asked for an ewe lamb. He got up and said he'd heard that the father had an ewe lamb that was inclined to stray, and he would be glad to take it off his hands and put it in a safer place. And he, the father, wouldn't need to worry about the ewe lamb because it would be in its own fold, as it were. The father replied yes, he was quite happy to let him have the ewe lamb because he knew it was going into good hands. And afterwards, there was a meal, and this is another continuing. The women would have been baking for days before it. The mother of the bride and all the neighbors would have helped. It was better than a wedding. There's music and songs and dancing into the wee hours. Accordions and fiddles, yes. And if there's a piper available, he was there too. They used to form a ring on the floor, and everybody joined hands and sang. Okay, so now a ray check is depicted in both versions of Whiskey Galore. And I'll figure out how to upload them, and I'll send you links if you want to watch the films.
Oh,
okay?
yeah.
But there's a better depiction in Gruit's Uachar that depicts a ray check. Okay, so Gruit's Uachar was written by a Gaelic writer, longtime announcer on BBC Radio and on Gael, Finlay MacDonald. And his brother was actually my tutor for many years, Donald MacDonald. And so they grew up on the Isle of Harris in the 1930s. And so what's depicted is their story of their boyhood, their growing up in a Gaelic community in the 1930s. And so we see I'm going to show you in just a moment. If I can get myself to stop talking, I'm going to show you a short clip from the film. It'll be in Gaelic, but there'll be subtitles. Okay, so see if you can pick out individual words or just get the feeling for the rhythm of the language. And so one of the things that you'll see is that the friend of the groom, we open up with the groom doesn't go to the ray check. You know, and all this is arranged ahead of time, and everybody's in agreement, and it's kind of a fun formality that the people go through. Okay, the groom and the bride, they want to get married, and everybody's been consulted and everything like that. But but we will see that the friend of the groom asks the father for something else besides the hand of the bride. Okay. And everybody has a great deal of fun with it. So, all right, so here we go. So.
Neste, ma vishe mogal, at you get the gogan yapi hatra. Kerst, shen ma vishe mogal. Tuk snigel speak. Lust wami, maar abuse mogal, nach ute voor de haken je diest. Kerst.
Gezellig het al kouden.
Heb je ballig wicket op gereedjag?
Tegen weinig.
Nee, nog een lissakef. Ha, zoals het de geli. Dat haal je aan ook als een pauze. Vind je een bouwkit en we agen hienig. Spie eschen je vier gegullet en je kudden.
Okay, so just to explain, the fellow who's coming over to watch the boys is the groom.
Oh.
So he's not at the ray check. It's his friend at the ray check who will do the negotiations, as it were. And he's sitting on pins and needles doing the babysitting.
Ah, Hugh. Sean Levison. Tush liat the roach foolish.
Famous je weer mogar. Ach, zie je wel frost, nach kut je keneen, je gaat er zo.
Halen je fisker aan.
Dan kun je bij kerstgeleer hemisch.
Och, een nikkel toch. Naar reizen. Hoe ik haal kerstgeleer.
Ha, panje schurkers, de gulle alles of deze. Zal van de hitmaal kan jullie.
Kijk, die schemes is geen ballig. Ach, kan je te wel goed.
Bobby Bo! Gosana gaat iets kan weten.
Het is misschien veel een pijnlijk. Zijn ook gelijk gegaan. We zijn verder aan doen pauze nog kwijt in Rietjach.
Mijn pa is de kwijt Mari.
Kom maar naar zin. Ga nee, die klant toen je kan ze bij het pauze staan met dan.
Jimmy en Marcel dus gaan we nog in mijn haar. En in deze posten en zat hij iets van negen.
Right, dan heb je ze vinnig.
Hordunje, ze is in je land gezogen, is in je land vochten. Al is in zondag joch je, gelijk kosken die gegeven.
Als naar bezig gaan maar. Dat is eerste dat je zo.
Han is zo nog gehaartje. Ska me jo garatje schemes. Gaan door in je heen bij alaar, jums kola trang schot drie, bellen toch al kuurs juus. Driach ga ik maar oorsen. Is hij zijn en vrijallig glonjig. Kan je. Han is zo als alleen. Zo'n eer jammer. Nesje, zij jo eer je met wie eentje. Shenach doe je terug lijntje. Jij golenjes en jo graun. Jij was ach biro hoskala komen. Ach veel meer kan ik je wel ja alles mooi ik schemes het erg. En dat vat ager zei dat niet. Het gaat door de zoekje vent je haar. Je schreef pak weg je waar je haar zit. Oh gaat door. Maar zin. Is er maar een krijgje doen ze eer hakken smal. Wat toschig gaat je. Eer hisses de trog woed. Is nog taranje haket.
Sean eisiau Joe Han ik isio immer gadr. A cha immer doch re a hast as de boost. Agus chofad sa sanilin, cha diach I di efora a chymyl chrem.
Ach, wie bain het dan maak om nikker oor se pi. Bin graag om die kunnen maroden.
Siawr ac y dygynia, a mae eisiau falaf.
Awn je hrilakam. Teba mi di ef dŵlach o mal o hen. Ach, mae werd a charret y siemes gons y gawftanesk. Gynghedd e as y dwy, gywrymach, ys gyffeichlach. Stoch o gydjalach met di.
O, sio, ni mae cynnig. Sian iawn, iawn, Alice. O, aloch, iawn. Sio G. Cyn check os abi. Sio G ar ecrys o Seamus.
Houston, just launch a Hamish Osman. Seamus
Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, all right, so that's Drejček, okay? Okay, all right. And one other thing that's, let's stop the share for one moment. One other thing that's kind of interesting is I'll send out links to the other two films. But neither one of them gets the Drejček correct. One turns it into an English event, the 1949 version, an English film, and the other turns it into an American event. so anyway, but it's this BBC production produced by, obviously Gallic people, that gets it in some semblance correct. So anyway, all right, so Russian Spore, so that's fun. Okay, all right. So let's go to the Oran Neshechina, Song of the Week. So I'm going to go back to share. Okay. Nope, I can get it to come up. Oops. Well, here we go. Okay. Okay, Oran Shekna. On Rechak. Okay, so I actually have a song that relates to the Rechak. Okay. And this is a song sung by, not by, but sung by the Gallic group Runrick. And right here, and so I have the lyrics here, and we'll go through the 3 verses that they actually sing. There's other verses, but that I print here, but the ones in italics are the ones that they actually sing. So I'm going to try to go through this slowly and follow along and repeat after me. So it starts off, B molen and gel is allen.
B molen and gels allen.
Okay. Le brir and geli harchaich.
Le brir gel harchaich.
Okay, so my love is fair and beautiful with words of promise above all others. Okay. Fair, maybe even radiant more. Bishin druja and smuch and ivnish.
Bishin druja and smuch and
ivnish. Okay. So we are drenched and drunk with happiness. Okay. And I have phosis morum.
Icus phosis morum.
Okay. The night that I will marry my love. Okay. And Tochlanya vor naslancha.
Tochlanya vor naslancha.
Naslancha. Horan kerko hunan lar.
Horan kerko hunan lar.
Okay. Lift a large glass in health. Make a large circle on the floor. That's a dancing circle. Okay. It's not a witchcraft circle. Okay. Hechin kush tuv ku nageli.
Hechin kush tuv ku nagali.
We will go around the far side of the moon. Anaika phosis maroon.
Anaika phosis maroon.
Maroon, and that should be a long. Okay, maroon. Okay. Hokifshin horogeli.
Hokifshin horogeli.
We'll raise a horogeli. Horogeli, horotoki.
Horogali, horotoki.
Okay, so it should go Tokishin horogeli.
Tokishin
horogeli.
Horogeli horo.
Horogeli horo.
Okay. Now, a couple of notes here before we get to the song. Horogeli means generally a wild party, a hullabaloo. But yeli comes from the word gelach, or promise. Okay, and is a promise to be made in marriage. In fact, it's used in the word gelach posi, a promise to marry, an engagement. So it's, but nowadays, horogeli also means just a wild party. Okay, it's interesting that it's used in this context because, as I said, it has those roots. And up here, Bimolen Gel is Allen. My love is radiant and beautiful. So, Gel Allen, white, beautiful, or perhaps radiant and beautiful. But Gel often literally means white, but might also be taken to mean fair or fine or even bright or radiant or brilliant. And so there's some spectrum of meanings. This common phrase to describe a young woman's beauty. For instance, in a poem by Sorley MacLean of the sequence Dan do Aver, Poems to Aver, Avele fear Gunkul, is it true what you heard? Gunkulu, Gavelo Gul Gel Alam, that your radiant, beautiful love, Oposik Tra Jaloon. So this is a tragic poem that the author is, the author's loved one is marrying somebody else. But here, for our purposes, Gul Gel Alam, your radiant, beautiful love. Now, just a note on this, the usage of gel. The word gel came to be applied in this sense in Gallic before there was any general awareness of racial colorings. So they don't mean white people. For instance, we gel, a fine day, or for gel grianach, a fine, bright, sunny autumn. Gelvan, very or exceedingly fair. So gel can be used as a what would you call that? It amplifies something. That's not the word I want, but anyway, it'll do for now. In these last two, we can see gel being used to emphasize the quality of something. Since ban means fair or blonde, gelvan means exceedingly fair, or perhaps radiantly fair. The same with for gel grianach, exceedingly sunny. Mohila gel means my fine lad, okay? Not referring to color at all. We also see the word in the health we learned earlier in the proverb. So here we come back to that. Slan de vanoig heel, health to your fair wife. Heel here is an inflective form of gel. And then just remember, I didn't write it down here, but just remember that very often when we see, or most often, when we see colors, aside from gel in this instance, applied to a person, we're not talking about how we do in today's contemporary American culture, not referring to skin color, but to hair color. So, Donald Do, Black Donald, doesn't refer to Donald as being, African American or of black skin, but his hair is black. Okay. Or Marivan, fair Mary, blonde-haired Mary, Ban being a word that would mean white or fair or blonde. So anyway, but here we see gel being used in more of a what do you call it? A metaphorical sense. Okay. All right. So with that said, we have a copy of the song on YouTube with the lyrics. So you can go ahead and mute if you want to and try to sing along. You'll have the lyrics printed underneath the song and just try to get the feel for it. So let's see what we can do here. Okay.
This is a Gaelic song, a song of celebration, a song about being in the company of people you want to be with. Just like Tuna tonight, this is Rachel. Be Muliana, Kiana Sali, Le Prieren Kali, Har Kai, Vishin Trejan Smudge and Leibnish, like a far. A fast smarter. Oh, Kishin Horayali, Horayali, Horo. So, Kishin Horayali, Horayali, Horo. Valioro, Hokoro, Vali.
Oops.
Okay. I'm going to pause this for a second. Just note that sometimes they just go over Horogeli, 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 and I didn't bother printing those on the screen. You can just kind of pick that up. Okay. All right. Just try to follow along. But when the next verse comes up, you'll see that printed on the screen. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go.
Valioro, Hokinyoro, Valioro, Hokoro, 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 Valioro, Hokinyoro, Hokoro. Chop, chop.
Yeah, you have very nice drums. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Where are we? Yeah. Very nice drums, as Denise says. Kind of a mixture between rock and roll drums and military tattoo drums. It's it's a nice combination, mixing the traditional with the new. Okay, I don't know. Okay, all right. So anyway, so you'll have all of this available to you. So by next week, I expect you to know all the words of the song and give a solo. Okay. All right. Okay. So anyway, any questions before we go? That's about it for tonight. Okay. Well,
I might have one.
yeah.
For when we introduce ourselves at the beginning of it, I was just casually looking up how do I say I'm excited or something like that. And the translation that I found for it was Hami Ermo Joy. Is that correct?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. A couple of different ways. Okay. So I don't know if this is what you saw, but occurs to me. Hami Edamagoe. What is this what you saw?
Yeah.
Okay, Edamagoe. Okay. And
Erviren. Yeah, that's right.
oh yeah, and Erviren. Okay. Hami Erviren. Okay. That's very often translated as I'm excited. That's more excited. Edamagoe is I'm doing all right. I'm on my way. But I mean Erviren, I'm excited. Think of that as on pins and needles. Viren is like a point. So it kind of relates to being on pins and needles. So I'm that kind of excited. Oddly enough, there isn't really a Gallic word for excited. I don't know. Gales don't get excited. Yeah. Anyway, but and I've seen Gallic speakers use the English word, because there isn't a Gallic word. I mean, they can be speaking totally in English, totally in Gallic. I mean, and they'll say "Hami excited," okay. But that seems to be an English or an American concept. But anyway, but something very close is "Hami erviren." I'm excited. I'm on pins and needles. Okay, and that's a good one. Hami erviren.
Okay. Thank you.
Shade of air. Okay. All right. Any where are we? Come back. Oh, wait. Oh, I was screen sharing, yeah, so I want to come back. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, okay. All right. Well, hi. I'm Tolicha. Happy to have seen you all. Okay. Sporsel. And we'll do more next week. And if you have any questions as the week goes on, be sure to get in touch with me. Within a day or so, well, as you know, usually I send out pretty quickly, the link to the current week, so you can review the material, and you have a link to the video. And of course, to remind you that links to all the videos are available on the in the Dropbox. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Well then, Aikava hula dunya. Aikava.
Aikava.
Cheery.
Cheery.
Stop a leaf.
Okay.